7 ways that saffron, Kesar, is good for your skin and health. The health benefits and healing properties of this expensive spice make it a valuable ingredient in food around the world. Modern research suggests that saffron can be used as an aphrodisiac, a diaphoretic, to make you sweat, a carminative, to stop gas, and a menstruative, to start your period. Some other good things are listed below. 1. Helps prevent cancer. Saffron contains crocin, a dark orange, water-soluble carotene that gives it a lot of its golden color. Crocin has been shown to cause apoptosis, programmed cell death, in leukemia, ovarian carcinoma, colon adenocarcinoma, and soft tissue sarcoma cells. Researchers in Mexico who have been looking into saffron extract have found that saffron and its active parts can stop human cancer cells from growing. Not only does the spice stop cancer cells from growing, but it also has no effect on healthy cells and actually helps them grow and makes more lymphocytes, which help kill cancer cells. 2. Helps you learn and remember things. Recent studies have shown that saffron extract, specifically its crocin, can be used to treat mental decline caused by getting older. In Japan, Parkinson's disease, memory loss, and inflammation are treated with saffron pills. 3. Saffron has an overall stimulating effect on girls who haven't reached puberty yet. A pinch of crushed saffron in a tablespoon of milk can help stimulate hormones and get the effect you want. 4. To boost energy, a pinch of saffron in a glass of milk before bed can help people with low libido get sexually aroused. 5. Saffron mixed with licorice and milk is a good way to make hair grow back in people with patchy baldness who have alopecia. 6. Protection from the cold. Saffron is a stimulant tonic that is very good at treating colds and fevers. Mixing saffron with milk and putting it on the forehead quickly relieves a cold. 7. Food additives. Saffron is a great replacement for synthetic food additives. For example, instead of FD&C yellow number 5, a synthetic food coloring agent that is a very common allergy trigger, saffron's glorious yellow could be a good hypoallergenic choice. Now that we know how good Kesar is for us, we have to use it, especially during the winter months. Here are some ideas for how to serve. 1. Mix saffron threads, garlic, and thyme with vinegar to make a great marinade for fish. 2. Use saffron to make cakes, pastries, and cookies look and smell like butter and gold. 3. Make a delicious treat by cooking biryani with saffron, cloves, cinnamon, Indian bay leaves, and nutmeg. 4. Crush a small piece of saffron and mix it with a glass of champagne or sparkling apple cider to make a golden elixir. 5. Coffee with saffron and cardamom is a drink that will calm you down and is good for your heart. 6. For a simple version of the famous Indian yogurt drink lassi, mix honey, whole milk, saffron, and cinnamon. As a spice, saffron is generally thought to be safe, but it shouldn't be used in heavy amounts by women who are pregnant or nursing. It's also important to note that saffron can be poisonous in large amounts, more than 1 or 2 tablespoons, though this is very rare.